Alright, so we got a failed blower. I had to do a blower swap out here. Motor just seized up. Capacitor was good. So just got to remove these two bolts up here, and the whole blower assembly comes out. Alright. So we do have the power off. So there's no risk of electrical shock. So let me get this out of here and bring you back. Alright, so we've got the motor out of the housing. This would be a good time to check your heat exchanger, which I'll do before I put the new motor back in. Got the new motor here and the capacitor. So what you want to do, first you want to sand this down, make sure it's smooth. You want to loosen this bolt, the set screw. As you can see, it's screwed all the way down on the flat surface of the shaft. So when you put the new motor in, you're going to match it up with the flat surface of this shaft. So, and I got my blower puller here, just in case it gives me a little fight. But yeah, bring it back. Alright, so I've got the motor mounted. I already set my set screw on the flat part of the shaft. So you want to verify that it's not hitting anything. That looks good to me. Now I'm going to install a new capacitor, but you want to check the capacitor before you install it. It's reading 7.6 microfarad. It's supposed to be a 7.5, so it is good. So we're going to mount this. We're going to mount this cap. Mount the cap. There's the wires here. Alright, so now we just load it up, slide it back into place, put our board and mount that back, wire the motor up to the board, and we'll test it out. Alright, got the unit in. We're going to check amp draw on the motor. Got it in the delay right now, so we'll give it a few minutes here, see what happens. Not all the time you get this set up where you can just pull a chair up to the unit and do the repair. So this is a pretty sweet repair right here, man. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet.